Tehillim 87. A psalm by the sons of Korah, a song. His foundation is in the holy mountains. Yahuwah loves the gates of Zion more than all the dwellings of Yaakov. Glorious things are spoken about you, city of Elohim, Selah. I will record Rahav and Babel among those who acknowledge me. Behold, Philistia, Tsor, and also Cush. This one was born there. Yes, of Zion it will be said, this one and that one was born in her. Elyon himself will establish her. Yahuwah will count when he writes up the peoples. This one was born there. Selah. Those who sing, as well as those who dance, say, all my springs are in you.